Raccoons tore into my dish soap, and they are so smart. I've heard they can unzip tents, so now I use a special clip. I sleep so much better. Welcome back to our last episode of our Obscure Camp Gear series. Let's get going, shall we? This zipper clip is great for traveling to protect your personal belongings from thieves. When I'm not traveling but I'm camping, I can actually attach this to my zippers for my tent. I will zip up my tent to the top so it's not at the bottom, and then I'll attach this zipper clip. If someone tries to get in, it will be just a little more difficult for them to get in, but this is perfect. I'll link this below too. Microfiber towels. Now I have this set. It's very inexpensive. It comes in three different sizes, and I use this mainly to wipe down my tent when I'm ready to pack up and go home. They absorb a lot of liquid. You can, wring them out and reuse them. And these come in handy, especially in the fall and the winter when there's a lot of condensation. Are super soft, super absorbent, and they are actually, I think, under $10 on Amazon. So I'll link these below in case you need a set. And they actually come in this little handy pack, and they wash up nicely too. This is a plastic mallet. Now the mallet that I'm referring to isn't just your, run-of-the-mill mallet. It has holes in the handle, which actually help you pull up your tent stakes a lot easier. It's been such a game changer for me. It is a dustpan and mini brush. This comes in handy when you need to sweep up some debris and you don't want to store a full-size broom, and it stores easily in my trunk until I need it. And this is fairly inexpensive. You can get this on Amazon, or you can get this at your favorite dollar store. So highly recommend. If you're enjoying these recommendations, why don't you give the video a thumbs up? Okay, I have a bonus gear recommendation, and that is heavy duty tent stake. Most tent stakes that come with your original tent are fairly cheap and they bend easily. You can definitely see and feel the difference between this new stake and the original stake, and they're just so much better to use. What I love about the stakes I use is this plastic top. It makes it really easy to pound into the ground, and it also is really easy to pull out with my mallet. And they don't bend either. They're pretty strong. I'll link this one below if you want to check it out. What's your favorite tent organization or, small essential that you really like that's really been helpful for you when you go camping? Put them down in the comments so we can all take a peek into your camping gear box. That's it for this episode. Stay tuned because I have some Oregon coast camping coming your way, along with a new fire experiment and maybe a new meal. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Thanks so much for watching. Until then, go chase your own wild.